Welcome to my day one for those who want to start their data analysis or data scientist journey using Python programming language. Why is Python important? Why do we have to use Python? Or what is Python itself? Are we talking about the Python snake? No, we are talking about the Python programming language. So now let's look at Python. Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Gudrun van Rossum and released in 1991. It is used for web development, server-side, and software development, mathematics, system scripting. What can Python do for us? Python can be used on a server side to create web application. Python can be used alongside software to create workflows. Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. Python can be used for rapid prototyping or for production-ready software development. So now, why Python? Python works on different platforms: Windows, Mac, Linux, and Raspberry Pi. Python has a simple syntax, which is similar to the English language. So that's why it is recommended for kids or even our younger ones and elder ones. You can actually learn Python with ease because it is very similar to English language. So Python has systems that allow we developers to write programs with fewer lines than some other programming languages. So Python runs on an interpreter system, meaning that code can be executed as soon as it is written. This means that prototyping can be very quick. Also, Python can be treated in a procedural way, an object-oriented way, or a functional way. So now, good to know. The most recent major version of Python is Python 3. You can go to the web and try to download the latest version of the Python to your system and install it. If you need guidance with the installation, you can DM and let me know. I'll be showing my screen, showing it on the board here. I will also be showing it on the environment on. So in this tutorial, we'll be using Python 3. So Python systems compared to other programming language. So Python was designed for readability and has some similarities to the English language with influence from mathematics. Python uses new line to complete a command, as opposed to other programming languages, which often use semicolons or parentheses. Python relies on indentation. It depends on what indentation. What I mean by that, I'm going to be explaining in my upcoming videos. This is the part one of my video, as I said earlier. So using white space also to define scope, such as the scope of loops, functions, and classes. Other programming language often use curly bracket for this purpose. So now I'm going to write a instance of Python, which is the most common function in Python, which is the print function. So we'll be looking at the print function today, and we will continue in my part 2 series of Python for data scientists and data analysts. So let's look at the print function. So as we can see, I'm going to be explaining what a function is in Python programming language. The most common function is the point function. And what does the function does? It helps us to output whatever we input into it. So currently we have point hello world, and the output is what? Hello world. So this is just the most simple function you can easily see and try yourself. So in my upcoming video, I will be explaining what is function itself, and we are going to be going deeper into the point function. So all this, you are going to put all this together in order to level up your uh, data analysis journey or data scientist journey, whether you are just starting or you are already a mid-level data analyst or a mid-level data scientist. So thank you for watching. You can follow for more.